We can then now look at yet another method. As I mentioned, we're going to look at a lot of tools here. This is the profitability index, and one way to think about this is which project gives you the most bang for your buck. The numerator is the present value of all the cash flows, and the denominator is your initial cost. What we say is, for every dollar of our investment, how much money do we make on a present value basis? So that's the answer. The two little boxes below, we get all the cash flows, and we pull the PVs. We all know how to do that, right? We've done that many, many times. Then the calculation of the PI is the present value of the future cash flows as a numerator. In this case, we sum these three cash flows to get 118.79 divided by the initial costs. In this case, it is the $100 that we saw as our outflow. And the PI is 1.1879 for the project L, and it's 1.1998 for project S. So let's go to Excel and just prove how to do this. And we say the discount rate, what's the PV of the inflows? So here equals NPV. We can do this because we conveniently have all positive cash flows after T0. So the rate is 10%, comma, and these items here. So that's the present value of cash flows. And then the cash outflow is $100. Therefore, the profitability index is 18 divided by that, 1.8, and we got the same number that we just saw. If we do the same for project S, equals NPV, open parens, discount rate, comma, the cash flows from T1 to 3, close parens, the initial outlay, it's $100, profitability index is 119 divided by 100, that's just 1.1998, which again is what we saw here, right? So that's how we derive it. It's quite simple. One NPV calculation, the denominator is the present value of the outflow, and we get the index. So interpreting it, for every dollar we invest in capital project L, we will get $1.18 on a present value basis. For project S, for every dollar we invest, we'll get $1.20. Therefore, project S is superior. That's how we would use the profitability index and explain it as far as recommendation.